Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Google Photos step by step. If your Google Photos app is showing the wrong language or you want to switch it to your preferred one, this guide is for you. First, open your Google Photos app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, select Photo Settings. Scroll down and tap on Language, or search it on top right corner search icon. Here, you can choose your preferred language, for example, from English to Hindi. Once selected, Google Photos will automatically update to your new language. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more quick Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.